Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the DRich Show, where we talk anything and everything crypto. Now, here's your host, DRich.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the DRich Show. This is DRich and today is March 16th, 2021. How's everyone doing today? Hoping that everyone is doing well wherever you may be. Having a terrific Tuesday thus far. Hoping that you're in good spirits and good energy and things like that. And to the subscribers to the channel, I just want to thank you guys so much. I appreciate you all. And for you guys are joining us brand new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, the like button, as well as the notification bell. Just want to get that out the way real quick. And on today's video, guys, just so that we are going to be aware of where we're going with today's video, we're going to be talking about Americans ready to put the stimulus to work according to one poll, and where that stimulus check might go. According to some people giving out information. Anyway, Ripple makes a giant move, moving 785 million XRP. And finally, we're going to talk about the recent price bounce of XRP. Is it done with price appreciation, or is it in a consolidation phase? Anyway, guys, let's just get right on into it with the coin market cap as we usually do. Bitcoin's dominance is at 60.5%, Ethereum at 12.1%. So they're taking up 72% of the market. So we got to get those guys away from some of that dominance. Okay, we got to wrestle some of that away. But slowly but surely we will. Anyway, Bitcoin is trading at $56,021. Ethereum at $18.09. And it's up 1% in the last 24 hours. Binance Coin $257.03. And Cardano $1.10, $1.08. Moving around, still in that range where this one also can be in an accumulation phase, as far as being able to dollar cost average or add to your stack at this low price for Cardano, which is ADA. You got Polkadot sitting there at $34.98. And like I said, XRP bumped up a little bit. Yesterday it was like 44, 45, up 8.5%. Bumped all the way up to 50, 52 cents in some places. Came back down, which is cool for the accumulators and those who want to continue to stack up. Getting less than you're getting a little bit more than $2 for $1 there. Uniswap there is trading at $29.46. Litecoin 9, 203.76, and rounding out the top 10 there, you got Chainlink at $28.04. But pretty much, guys, the markets have been kind of up and down steady, but yet you see some green, you see some red, and wow, look at Terra Luna. Again, guys, as a friendly reminder, sometimes when you show impatience, you might get an asset that is in your portfolio that you get rid of. And, I don't know. I got rid of Luna early, very early, and I had, a ton of it. So, lesson learned, never get rid of stuff. But, for the most part, you learn and you grow, and hopefully you don't make those mistakes twice. But anyway, you still see some of the green in the market. You got red here and there. Okay. You got Chili's at 12% loss there. So, you can still accumulate that, whatnot. Do your own research, do your own due diligence. Remember, if you're building a portfolio, You want to make sure that you diversify with, your base, whatever your base is. My base is XRP. Okay, that's my foundation. And then, I build it with other solid assets. And then if, there's other things that, I want to dabble into, most definitely I'll do that as well. Okay, but anyway, this is never intended to be financial advice, because I am not a financial advisor. But, I'll always, be transparent in what works for me, what's been working for me, and how, I've built out my portfolio well enough to know that there are certain things that we're going to keep in the portfolio and learn to kick out some of the other stuff that doesn't need to be there. But anyway, guys, this is coming from Market Watch. Americans ready to pour $40 billion into Bitcoin and the stock market as stimulus checks arrives, from a survey. Bitcoin is more popular than stocks among stimulus recipients. This is coming from Mizuho. Okay. And guys, yesterday we talked about the stimulus. I can't tell you what your situation is. I don't know your situation. We all have unique situations that has different measures of accountability, responsibility, and things like that that would require us to do what we're supposed to do. And hopefully, one thing is always take care of your basic needs. Those things come first. Make sure that you have food on the table for yourself, for your family, things like that. Those are things that I will always encourage. But yet, when it comes to investing, hey, some of us will have the opportunity to splurge. At the end of the day, we'll see what happens. But another round of stimulus checks could provide a shot in the arm for stocks and especially Bitcoin, according to a survey released Monday by Mizuho Securities. The poll of 235 individuals who expect to receive checks courtesy of the latest COVID-19 relief bill stimulus, which was just recently signed into law, found that 2 out of every 5 recipients plan to invest in at least some part of the proceeds into Bitcoin and stocks. Based on the responses, around 10% of the total gross payments, around 40 billion of the 380 billion in direct checks, could be allocated to the world's most popular digital asset and stock purchases. So, like a lot of people are jumping on the, Bitcoin hype, which is cool. I mean, if you want to put your money into Bitcoin, it takes, $56,000 to get one full Bitcoin. Obviously, you can buy, fractions and bits and pieces of Bitcoin, as well as other cryptocurrencies. But for me, I have to say that I want to get a bang for my buck. So, I want to look at other assets, and I want to look at other opportunities like silver, like gold, things like that. This is when it comes to the current round of payments. A Deutsche Bank survey late last month also found investors ready to use the money for trading. In fact, the poll found that investors are even more eager to push money into the market, estimating approximately 170 billion in potential stock market inflows out of then estimated 460 billion in direct payments. So, like a lot of people have been home, a lot of people have been researching, figuring out different ways or opportunities to put money in their pockets. Trading has been one of them, and investing in cryptocurrencies has been, another. And Bitcoin appears more popular than stocks among stimulus check recipients. So that's 61% there, 39% there. Bitcoin is the preferred investment choice among check recipients. It comprises nearly 60% of the incremental spend, which may imply 25 billion of incremental spend on Bitcoin from stimulus checks, wrote Mizuho analyst Dan Dolev and Ryan Coyne in a Monday note. This represents 2 to 3% of Bitcoin's current 1.1 trillion market cap. So guys, you guys can read the rest of the article. I'll leave that in the description. But most definitely, if I get a stimulus check, I will be buying myself a brand new dryer. Okay? When my dryer is making sounds as if I can dance to it, then that means it's time to get a new dryer. So that's what I will be doing. But if there is some leftover change, most definitely we're going to get into some more cryptocurrency, some more digital assets, and things like that. Those, sometimes, certain things come up and certain things need to be taken care of in order for, things to be replaced and be better. Okay? So, but anyway, we always want to encourage each other to take care of things first. Eliminate your debt, your personal debt. We're responsible for our own individual debt. And we just got to clear it up if that's what we need to do as well. And, take your time. And if there's profits that come, shave off some profits. Make sure you eliminate the debt, eliminate the zero, so that there's nothing that can come back and say that you owe this or that. But anyway, Ripple Giant moved 785 million XRP, while XRP managed to touch 52 cents. All right. And Well Alert Crypto Tracker has reported that in the past 10 hours, 2 Ripple initiated transactions have been noticed, carrying a total of $347 billion. I want to say so. Right there, I don't know the exact number, how to pronounce it or say it right. I don't want to butcher all the numbers. It's a little bit more than I can manage, but one day I will be managing something like that, and so will you. In the meantime, XRP has briefly surged to the 52 cent level, but has rolled back down since then. So guys, you can see right here on this chart, we get a little upward momentum. I believe once we break this little zone right here, we can get some upward momentum back up to the 60 cent range, things like that. So I think that eventually will break out and will be rewarded significantly. According to the data shared by Well Alert, the Ripple crypto heavyweight has made 2 transfers, moving a whopping 745 million. Is that million or billion? Million, sorry. And let's go. That's 347 million right there, not billion. Sorry about that. Numbers sometimes they can be a little bit delusional or whatnot. So anyway, they moved this many in 40 million, which is equivalent to 17 million. The money has been shifted between Ripple's internal wallets. We don't know where that's going. Ripple keeps signing up new companies to RippleNet as well after the Ripple and MoneyGram remittance giants terminated their partnership recently. The fintech giant has sold all of the MoneyGram stocks it had kept, and besides, Ripple continues to defend itself in court, fighting off SEC prosecutors in the lawsuit that began late in December 2020, which we've been discussing over and over on this channel. And despite the lawsuit and the fact that XRP has been delisted by multiple exchanges, including big ones like Coinbase, Bittrex, and Binance.us, the company has managed to sign 15 new contracts with banking institutions since the SEC filed the legal suit. Unlike XRP, the 2 major cryptocurrencies have been defined by the regulator as non-securities, which is Bitcoin and Ethereum, as the Ripple lawyers have asked the federal judge to compel the SEC to produce the documents. So we'll see where that goes. We'll be trailing this, as it produces more information. We'll be covering it on this channel, as we do with all other XRP news or Ripple news, because that's the digital asset that we're mostly consumed by or interested in. Hoping that, knowing that, I won't say hope, knowing that one day we'll reap the rewards for being patient, having to go through some different things, as a different type of investor when it comes to just waiting your turn, as you see other assets appreciate in value over and over. But anyway, this is coming from Coinpedia. XRP price bounce back. Is it done with the consolidation? So XRP price was gearing up for the past couple of days to accumulate a strong momentum to flip the bearish divergent, and the price successfully rejected lower support levels in early trading hours, exhibiting the capability of a massive uptrend. And this is written by Shahana Viptut, dated March 16th, which is today. Consolidation to continue for 7 more days. XRP price in recent items is exhibiting strong determination of not plunging below certain levels. Moreover, despite multiple pullbacks, the price traded close to 44-cent levels since the beginning of this month. Hence, Ripple's native token XRP may shoot up with a large margin in the coming days. Now, guys, I don't know. I can't predict the market. I can't tell you when it's going to go up or not. But adding to the substance, the price since the start of February 2021, it appears to have been trending within an ascending triangle, and currently the price is heading strongly and steadily to break the upper resistant levels. However, according to analysts and XRP promoter Crypto Bull 2020, the XRP price may continue with consolidation for another week's time. So who knows, guys? If you guys follow Crypto Bull 2020 on Twitter, gives out some good solid information, things like that. So go ahead and give that person a follow. I do follow Crypto Bull 2020. Okay. So guys, I don't know what the price range would be. Hopefully we do get some momentum upwards, where we can start seeing price appreciation. And for me, as an XRP hodler, I hold to hold. I don't hold to sell. I'm not looking to take any profits anytime soon. But I want the best for Ripple first as the company, and XRP most definitely will be magical and do its thing in due time. So we just have to be patient, persevere through this market, persevere through the lawsuit, the FUD, whatever you want to call it, the naysayers. We got to deal with it, but it's okay. Okay. There's nothing really for us to worry about at this time when it comes to XRP, besides learning patience, learning how to persevere. Those are only things that I can suggest or recommend when it comes to XRP. You have to have them. You got to be strong. You got to be willpowered. You have to sustain stronger than anything when it comes to XRP, because it is life changing. It will change a lot of things as we know it, financially, digitally, and this is why it's the hardest one. This is the battle. This is the toughest one. This is the battles of all battles. Okay, it's just like watching Lord of the Rings, the Precious Ring. This is that. Okay. So anyway, guys, I encourage you guys to all, continue to do your due diligence, do your own research, continue to write down your goals, continue to manage your expectations of your goals, and then extend those goals into other goals, and then continue to evolve, as I will continue to do so as well. All right, we're going to evolve together, we're going to grow together, and hopefully by the end of all of it, we have both or all have experienced some good times, whether we ever meet or not. We've all have enjoyed the journey together, getting to where we need to go, and hopefully we do it with enthusiasm. We are maintaining positivity, and we're always treating people politely and respectfully, and just going out of your way to do well by others. And that's the only thing I can encourage here on this channel. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. Again, if you guys are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, as well as the notification bell. And if you don't mind, go ahead and leave a comment or two. I don't mind hearing from you all, and I will respond. I will speak back, and things like that. So anyway, guys, have a great rest of your day. Have a terrific Tuesday. God bless. Take care. And as always, treat everyone with class, dignity, and respect. Bye-bye.